Alright, we're at the Seattle Deli today, and we're gonna get a Banh Tét. Just picked this up at the local deli. You hear that? This is like a brick. You know, this is a big lump of rice, you know, wrapped around some pork and some mung bean paste, wrapped in sticky rice, and then they got it wrapped in a banana leaf, and then they got it tied up with string, and then hermetically sealed. I'm not sure what hermetically means, so it might not be hermetically sealed, but it's saran wrapped. It's got a kind of a tea smell to it, although this is a banana leaf, and that's supposed to not only help to preserve it, you know, and keep it, you know, while it's sitting around waiting for people to eat it, but it's also supposed to impart some flavor into the log of rice. So this is almost like a Christmas present. This might remind you of your childhood, you know, if you were a bad kid. This is not easy to get into. It's very sticky. It's sticky rice, and this sort of looks a little bit like an alien autopsy. You know what? I bet if I threw this at the wall right now, it would stick to the wall. Look how sticky that is. I'm not even having a... So here we go. Man, that is so sticky. And that's what it looks like inside. You know, it's got a little bit of pork. It's got a little bit of mung bean paste. And then it's got sticky rice. And then it's got this kind of like outer green color because of the banana leaf. And one thing that people like to do, sometimes they cook it, is they just cut off these little wheels like this, and then they throw them in a hot skillet and cook them like that. But we're not going to do that. We're just going to get us a couple of little doohickeys of it here, and then we're going to put some sauce on it. Let's try it without the sauce. Boop, boop, boop. That's good. We got a little bit of chili garlic sauce that we're going to try on here. And then we've also got a little bit of hot mustard. It's really good with the mustard, you know, because it's pork. Pork and mustard, ham and mustard. That's like Sonny and Cher. This is just like eating Sonny and Cher. Is this a social faux pas? Eating it with your hands like this? I'm sure it is. But if somebody knows, let me know. That's Banh Tét. It's Banh Tét-erific. You see, camera girl's got her own style for eating. She treats everything like it's a chili dog.